Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox everyone's favorite car, which is this one. So I'm pretty sure after this, or even before that, BMW M3 GT, BMW M3 GTR came. So because this anime came long back, even before Most Wanted existed. So I'm pretty sure this was everyone's first love, and then it became the M3 GTR. So So for me, it was the opposite because I first saw the M3 GTR in Most Wanted, and then I recently got to know because of this MFG Ghost came, started to air in Netflix. I started watching that and I really loved that. And I was like just searching for season two, just wanted to see whether season two is going to release or not. I think it is. I think I was looking for season two at that time. So I came to know it was a spin-off of Initial D. So I downloaded the entire Initial D in both low and high resolution. Came around 30 GB. I just downloaded in like couple of hours and I started watching. I watched like entire season in one night immediately, and I really got hooked up. And then I think around like the fourth season if I'm not wrong. So there are a couple of movies. I think season three is a movie if I'm not wrong, or season four is a movie. I guess I don't remember it, something, but there is one movie in between. One instead of one season, there is one movie, and again next rest are again season. And I think I'm right now around that fourth season if I'm not wrong. So that I stopped it after that because there was I think only one season, and there was this extra stage. I think that's another movie, I guess. That's what left. So I don't want the good thing to end soon, soon. So I just stopped it for now. So with that said, again, if you guys never watched Initial D or never heard about Initial D, you are missing out a really awesome thing. If you like Fast and the Furious, you will love this one. So these are like this particular anime is like grandfather for those kind of movies. So go ahead and watch it. If you are not able to, you are not going to see it in any even in Crunchyroll it is not there, I guess. So you need to torrent it. That's all I can say. Okay, let's unbox this now. Even I am really waiting to unbox this one. Let's see if I can open this without damaging the box here. Yeah, done. The next challenge is we need to open it without damaging the inside one. Oh my god, that is hard to get it out. Okay. Okay. Let me just put it here a little bit. Okay. I'm a bit skeptical on this one because I don't know if I'm getting cheated on this one or not. Okay, let me just, because as you can see in the box, it feels like it has a pop-up headlight here. You can see that, right? But I don't see that here. I need to, let me just put this in first. So I don't know if it actually has pop-up headlights or not. Okay, anyway, let's look at the casting now. So out of the box, man, the white looks really nice. So yeah, it has acrylic taillight details. You can see the Apex Twin Cam 16 and Torino and Toyota logo. And the wheels are actually unique to this particular car, and the wheels are actually plastic. So this is what I am a bit confused. This honestly looked like a pop-up headlight in that box. I need to do a Google search and see if I got cheated or not. So it has good interior detailing to it, and because the Dream Tomica one which comes in a smaller box, that one doesn't have a pop-up headlights, that I remember, that I know for sure. But I was expecting this to have a pop-up headlight, because that is the difference between this one and that one if I'm not wrong. So let me check that or not. Maybe after I complete, I finish recording this video. Okay. So it has good chassis detailing to it. Okay, full metal body, plastic chassis. It has openable doors. Let's see. Yeah, here it is. That looks nice, and it has, that Fujiwara Tofu Shop written here on the side. That's what it actually means, Fujiwara Tofu Shop. Okay, you can see the Torino logo here. The casting looks absolutely gorgeous. I don't see any paint issues or anything. There are some dust here, but nothing much. Okay, let's see if it has suspension. It does look like, yeah, it has suspension. It does have mud flaps here. That is molded plastic, but still it has. They actually stayed true to that car. It is really nice of them to do that. So I do have it to Torino by I think HKM or Hobby Toys Japan, I guess. I did buy that casting, that actually has opened, flipped up headlights. So I bought it because, since it reminded me of initially, so I bought that one. So if you guys remember, I did showcase that in my hunt video, that Malaysia hunt video. Okay, let's weigh this casting. Okay, 40 grams. That's really good. Okay, let's do a roll test now. Okay, it doesn't roll that well. So I was like hoping to this car to get off the track, like that even that Mini Cooper did. There's a lot of wheel wobble to it. Okay, maybe at some point it reaches the end. I don't know. Yeah, but it has a lot of wheel wobble to it. But apart from that, it's a beautiful casting. Again, I need to check out on the headlights part whether this is how it actually is in that unlimited version. I want to see what's the difference between this and the dream version. But apart from that, I actually, even though it doesn't have a pop-up headlights, but I really wish it had a pop-up headlight. Let me check that one out. Okay, so but overall it's a beautiful casting. If you get a chance to buy this one, please go ahead and buy it. Don't skip it. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.